What's up, guys? Crypto Billionaire back with another in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars. And boy, oh boy, have we made a big run up. I started this channel around this area and said, this is a good time to buy. You want to watch out. And if you've been following on for the past couple days, you would have seen a good 60% increase on your initial investment. It's probably a good 20 to 30 right now because this little dip we're in. But if you guys remember, the first buying opportunity I said was right around this area when it pulled back to halfway on this candle. It's a really easy, simple continuation pattern that you guys can spot. This is called a what? If you guys watch the last videos, I want you guys to leave a comment. What is this pattern called? Let me know in the comments. All right. What are these three bars called? All right, guys. Into the in-depth technical analysis on DOGELON Mars. We're just going to cut to the chase, my friends. So, right now we are in a little bit of a retracement, which is completely fine. And I'll show you why it's completely fine. If we pull out the Fibonacci retracement, and yes, I know everyone uses Fibonacci retracements, but they are very helpful because they keep you in perspective on what is going on in these markets. Now, you want to go from the swing low, which is right around this area, exactly around this area, to the swing high, which is this area. And look where we bounce down to. Boom. All right. Let me give you guys a little rundown of what happened. So people here, they bought in here holding their bags, all right? It goes up, they're holding their bags. You can tell because it stays still. All right, here, people bought a lot. Some big money came in. Boom. Got pushed up to the upside. And then this little dip were these people selling their bags. So then it consolidates, accumulates buyers in a little uptrend here. Boom. Whales come in hot. These whales went real hard on this buy. Push it up like 400%, 300%. And then, boom, these people right here that all accumulated just sold all their bags because they're happy with the 300%, all right? If you're happy with the 300%, this is not the channel for you. That is not how you become a billionaire. We are looking for 10x plus on this channel. And this is a 10x plus coin in the next 1 to 2 months. And everything is panning out to be perfect. Now, it could change over time if some altcoin news comes out, government regulation comes out that will change the markets, then we need to watch out and we need to take some risk off the table if that happens. But right now, the hype around this coin is absolutely insane. This community is getting stronger than Shiba Inu. It's getting stronger than Doge. It is insane. We have NASCAR drivers posting the website of DOGELONMARS.com on the back of their NASCAR. We are going to Mars with this, and if you guys don't see it, then I'll explain why we are and where you can get in. So right here, like I was saying, people sold their bags from right here, and then these big players, they were like, what did I just see? I thought these people were smarter than that. They bought up so much, all right? Comes up to here. Like we said in the last few videos, over here, we got some resistance because people bought here. This is their break-even point. They're like, I don't want to lose any money. I got scared when it went down like 40%, which is an easy dip for crypto. So if you can't handle a 40% gut, you need to learn how because you need to buy more in those dips. This is not financial advice. I am just a crypto billionaire, and I do not know what I'm talking about. So do not take my advice. I am not a financial advisor, and this is my opinions only. Up here was resistance. People bought hella bags thinking it's going to go way higher. Went up here, people sold. All right, so right here, those people that bought the bags back here are not wanting to take that risk anymore. They got to put food on the table for their family. They put their life savings in DOGELON Mars at a peak when they couldn't afford it. So they're taking money out, all right? But people are buying it up. There's some support here. Same thing's happening here. All in here is going to be a little bit of resistance that we're going to have to break through, but it will be no problem in the coming weeks, guys. Right now, I am looking into average more. Add more to my position sizing because this is an extreme buying opportunity right around this 18 level. We have a good resistance here. Nice little trend line, and the Fibonacci is working out perfectly, guys. Now, what we would really want to see is this come around to this 382 level, right around this 1669 area. Hit that subscribe button. Crypto Billionaire 69, in-depth daily technical analysis. We want this to come down to this area. Test it, and then push up with volume. I say in every video, volume is key, guys. Volume is key. If there's no volume, there's no movement. What did we see here? We saw volume. What did we see here? We saw volume. What did we see here? We saw volume, and they're all breaking through previous resistance. So what we would like to see here is the volume taper off exactly like how it's doing. Then right when it hits this, we want to see a candle right around this 650 area for volume or higher, breaking through this previous resistance, moving to the upside, and absolutely ripping upwards 10x style. We are only at about around $1 billion market cap right now. This has so much potential, guys. If you have not bought in, you should consider buying. This is not financial advice, just simple advice from a crypto billionaire. Now, where can you get in? Let's see. You want to look for this. Personally, I would rather this break down than hold this area. I'd rather break down to this 1669 level because that'll bring more whales in. A lot more people with big money are going to see this buying opportunity and just push the prices higher. Right here is a pretty weak support. So I'm assuming we're just going to break straight down to this level. Base around, move higher. If we don't move higher, then our next target level will be around this area, okay? And if that happens, guys, if it drops, you gotta make the right decision. If you bought it up here and it drops this far, what's the correct financial decision, all right? Buy more. That's the correct financial, this is not financial advice. This is an opinion from me. And my opinion is to buy more because you have not lost if you have not sold. And this is an extreme support. We saw so much money got taken off the table right here. For it to break through this level, it will take so much selling power, and the likeliness of that happening in this market right now is extremely unlikely due to the fact of the hype around this coin, due to the fact that the altcoins haven't even began their run yet. Bitcoin hasn't even reached 100K, guys. We have so much potential on this coin. So you guys need to look in for a good averaging in opportunity. Now, say this in every video. We do the 1/4 rule here on this channel. If you got $1,000, you want to wait for confirmation in order to buy 1/4 of your position size. Now, let me give you an example. Right down here, I told you guys, it's going to retrace back to this 50% level. We're going to want to see volume on the smaller candles. Let's just go back and see what we saw. All right, this is what we saw. Okay, first of all, this is extremely bullish, guys. Comes down, breaks out with volume of the previous resistance levels, and then it comes down and retraces. This is called a doji candle, all right? That means the sentiment is neither up or down. It's more in a neutral pattern. This candle went down, came back up. That's called a hammer. Now, hammers are bullish signs, extremely bullish signs, because it shows that the price came down to this 1272 level, then got pushed up to this 1376 level, and then closed. This next candle absolutely ripped through. Now, if you go back to the previous videos, I said buy in around here. That's where you would want to buy in your 1/4. Now, moving forward, we saw more confirmation here. Now, I thought this was going to break down to the 13 levels, and I didn't buy more because my assumption was it was going to break down to the 13 levels, then I would buy more bags. But it actually found support above the 13 levels, which is, I'm fine with it. I already have my bags in here, so I'm not buying any more unless it gets into these 13 levels. And I will consider adding more if it gets down to this 16 level, 38.1, 38.2. Fibonacci retracement, guys. So that's what you want to look for to add your 1/4 position sizing. If you followed my trades from day one, you would have added 1/4 here, came up, you would have added 1/4 around here, although it didn't reach the 13 level, so I didn't add 1/4. And now, if it comes down to here, the likelihood of that happening is extremely high, add 1/4 more. If you see a candle with volume breaking to the upside. That is your confirmation. We trade with confirmation here on this channel. You don't want to hop in a downward pattern thinking it's going to go up with no confirmation. What do I mean by that? If there's a huge red candle here, it completely breaks through here, and it's not finding support, you don't want to buy. You want to wait until it finds support like this, and then you see a candle like this with volume. That is a confirmation. That is when you want to get in, guys. That is how you make correct moves with technical analysis. I hope you guys like this video. I post every single day. I have been a little bit inactive lately just because I had to take a spontaneous road trip. I had to help my friend go pick up a tow truck down in where I live. So I couldn't update you guys on this, but everything is looking absolutely perfect. We are going to Mars with this thing. We are going to 10 billion market cap in 1 or 2 months, guys. Mark my words. That is truly what I believe. And if that doesn't happen, then my assumption would be that the meme coins just completely crashed. Shiba Inu, something is going on with that. That's actually another thing I want to get to, guys. This chart has not been following Shiba Inu. I saw a day when Shiba Inu was low. It was down like 10%. And DOGELON Mars was flying. It was flying. And that is extremely bullish. That means we are not following the bigger boys. We are creating our own path in this marketplace. And that is what we need. That is the only way to get to Mars is if we create our own path. And boys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are doing that. We are going to Mars. So look for the 1657 level to average into your portfolio. Right now wouldn't be a bad opportunity if you have no bags in this yet. But if you do have bags in this around this area, when I told you guys to get in, then I would wait until you see a little bit more of a retracement. So your average isn't bad. But this is not a bad buy, guys. We are going 10x from here. And if you guys enjoy the video, hit that subscribe button. Post daily technical analysis. I love doing this for you guys. I really just want to bring you the best technical analysis that I can. I want to help you guys make money in this market because it's just free money out there. It's truly amazing. We are in a crazy time, and I am extremely grateful for everything that's going on, guys. This is just a crazy opportunity we have, and don't miss it. Take advantage. You know, we only get opportunities like this once, maybe twice in life. So do what you can, invest what you can, invest what you if you lost that you could live with still. But for me personally, I have my whole net worth in crypto. Everything, all my billions are in crypto right now. So I am extremely bullish on this. I don't think we're going anywhere. Even if the government regulates cryptocurrency, it can't stop it. Once these boomers get out of the office, then we will be chilling when bigger boys come in that are younger, know what they're talking about, start decentralizing the government and financial systems, and we will be off to the races, my friends. Guys, hit that subscribe button. I post every single day. Have a beautiful, wonderful night, and take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.